foam rounds, broken bones. Know your protest rights before the sirens flare. June 10th, 2025, downtown Los Angeles. A wall of LAPD helmets pushes a chanting crowd down Alameda toward Temple. Daniel Bill refuses to retreat, raises his arms, and becomes the lesson you're about to learn. Officers fire so-called less lethal foam projectiles, designed for the beltline, but still blunt enough to crack fingers, blind eyes, and split skin. When the rounds do nothing, 4 cops rush, hook Bill's elbows, and drive him to the pavement. A single fracture turns the case into a categorical use of force, automatically triggering a year-long investigation and stacks of paperwork. Why should you care? Because staying 10 feet too long at a declared unlawful assembly in California is a misdemeanor under Penal Code 409, 6 months in jail and a $1,000 fine. Add a resisting charge, and prosecutors can double the penalty even if you never swing a fist.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can't give a fuck. Pussy. You guys feel good about your fucking line? I didn't even hurt pussy. You want to serve your community? Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off. It ain't working. That's an arrest team.
Right here, this one right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Get him.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Give us your hands! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
Give me here. Give me a sec. I got it.
Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting!
Pull it.
Stop resisting, sir! Stop fighting the officers!
I am not fighting the officers.
Yep, I got it.
Tip 1. Film everything. The First Amendment protects your right to record police in public as long as you don't interfere. Hold the phone at eye level, keep 6 feet of distance, and narrate the date, time, and badge numbers. Your footage may become Exhibit A when officers later claim the crowd was violent. Tip 2. Know the weapon pointed at you. LAPD foam rounds weigh about 8 grams. Leave the launcher at 200 feet per second and spread impact across a disc the size of a quarter. That design prevents penetration, yet transfers enough energy to break Bill's index finger. Aim points are hips and thighs, but real-world videos show impacts on ribs, backs, and even faces. If you're hit, photograph the bruise immediately. Swelling can hide exact shape after a few hours.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Give us your hands! Stop resisting!
Tip 3. The stop resisting loop. California courts say passive tension, locking your arms or going limp, can still count as resisting arrest. Each time an officer repeats those words, they build a soundtrack for prosecutors. Counter it on camera. Hands visible, loud, clear statement. I am not resisting, I am complying. That audible timestamp may be the only line separating you from an obstruction conviction later. Tip 4. Demand medical documentation. Any pain? Say so, out loud, on camera. Ask paramedics to check you, request transport, and once at the hospital, insist the nurse photographs every injury. In LAPD policy, hospitalization forces the Force Investigation Division to take the case, interview every witness, and preserve body cam longer than the usual 90 days. Your chart is leverage. Without it, bruises fade and memories blur.
Come on, sir, leave the area! Leave the area!
Value this inside intel? Hit subscribe right now. Your click keeps Everyday Rights ad-free and algorithm alive. What happens after the ambulances leave? Detectives from the Force Investigation Division freeze every frame of body cam, sync timestamps, and write a report that can top 500 pages. The chief reviews it. Then, a 5-person civilian board votes on whether tactics and force met department standards. Simultaneously, the Inspector General runs an independent audit. Total time, 6 months if you're lucky, more often a full year. Meanwhile, the officer is back on the street in days. Your footage can shift the final verdict. Last year, journalists used their clips to win a federal order blocking foam rounds from being aimed at press during LA protests. Citizen videos were cited right alongside newsroom reels. If you see a badge and a launcher, start rolling. History shows the lens can rewrite policy. Rapid recap. Record from the moment sirens wail. Move when a lawful dispersal order hits the loudspeaker. State you are not resisting. Twice, on tape. Document every injury before you leave the scene. Request all public records within 90 days. Grab our free protest pocket card in the description. Print it, fold it, keep it next to your phone. Inside, you'll find the exact dispersal order script, emergency legal numbers, and a QR code linking to digital evidence storage. Share this before your next rally and keep everyday rights one move ahead of the badge.